This dashcam system combines a front high-definition camera with a waterproof rear unit, giving you solid coverage for both driving and parking maneuvers. The mirror-style design, with a wide 4.5-inch screen, mounts over your existing rear-view mirror, so the cabin stays uncluttered while you can quickly review footage. Video is recorded in a clear, high-definition format with wide viewing angles, which helps capture license plates, cross-traffic, and roadside details more reliably than basic cameras. Built-in impact detection automatically locks important clips during a collision, and loop recording manages the memory card, so you are always capturing the most recent drive. Night-friendly recording, motion-triggered capture, and support for a generous, micro-secure digital card capacity make this a practical choice for round-the-clock vehicle monitoring. The straightforward plug-and-play installation backed by a long-established audio and electronics brand makes this an appealing upgrade for drivers who want extra security without a complicated setup.